Hello everyone. Many of you are looking for work from home opportunities where there is no requirement of any kind of specific qualification or experience. So if you're a student, a housewife or someone who is not having any kind of specific degree or qualification and they are still looking for some work from home opportunities to earn money in their free time, there are many companies who offer chat operator or chat moderator kind of jobs. In these kind of chat related jobs, you're not required to have any kind of particular qualification or experience. The only thing that they require is that you must be able to type text online. So these are the job opportunities that you can do in your free time and earn money in euros or dollars. There are so many companies who are operating globally and hiring people from all over the world for chat related job opportunities. So here in this video I'm going to discuss about one opportunity where you can work as a chat operator or chat moderator. So the company's name is eModerators. eModerators offer you the chance to earn an income from home. So here the pay rate is 24 euro cents per message. So every time when you send a message to anyone, you can expect 24 euro cents per message. Now here you can work as a moderator and earn money. You can work as a moderator and earn money from home in your free time. So you can work when you want and from wherever you want. So company offers flexible opportunity. You can choose your own hours. The pay rates are competitive. So whether this is your main job or it is an additional source of income, you will appreciate that we pay the best rates in the industry and we also pay weekly. So here you can expect weekly payments in euros and here you are free to work from wherever you want, either at home or any other places. The only required thing is a computer and an internet connection. Now here the company offers progressive pay. So what this means is that the more messages you write, the more money you will earn. So the average earnings are 350 euros per week. So if you're open-minded, have a good imagination, like to work and are a fast typer, you can make a lot more. So this could be a part-time or side hustle kind of opportunity for you where you can earn some extra money. You only need a Wi-Fi, a laptop and a bank account. Work from home. The most important thing is the company will provide paid training to everyone who joins the company. So you're not required to have any kind of previous experience or qualification. How does it work is, so here they have written that are you looking to work from home either full-time or for some additional income? Do you have a good imagination? Are you creative and open-minded person? So working as a moderator could be exactly what you are looking for. So the company can help you become a moderator where your job will be replying to messages. You can choose your working hours and the company is always looking for new people for various projects. So here you will be getting a personal tutor and you can contact them through their personal Skype or email to ask them any questions. So if you are stuck at any time, you can ask them. You can take support from your tutor and the highest payments in this industry. eModerators is one of the highest paying company in this industry. So the company offers somewhere around 10 euro cents to 24 euro cents per processed message. User-friendly system. And here weekly payment bill and trustworthy company. So yes, if you are interested, you can apply from here. Here are some of the moderators who have already been working with the company. You can check them. So if you are someone looking for work from home opportunities to work and earn in your free time, you can, and you're not having any kind of previous experience or any kind of particular qualification, you can check out this role as a chat moderator. So check out this website and all the details are there on the website. So thank you for listening.